In the heart of the vast and dense forest, where the whispers of the wind echoed through towering trees, lived a solitary bobcat named Bjorn. Bjorn was not like the other cats in the forest, for he had a peculiar gift. He could hear the secrets of the wild, the whispers of nature that only he could perceive. One day, Bjorn stumbled upon a struggling deer, trapped in a hunter's snare. He could hear the deer's fervent pleas for help, a sound that pierced his heart. Bjorn was torn between his instinct to hunt and his compassion for the helpless creature. He pondered over his decision, the tension in the air thick as the forest around him. He could sense the hunter nearby, ready to claim his prize. But Bjorn, with his ears attuned to the whispers of the wild, heard a voice that resonated in his heart, a voice that echoed the spirit of the forest. The true strength of a predator lies not in the hunt, but in the choice, the voice whispered. You have a chance to change the course of a life, and in doing so, you can become the guardian of the forest. Bjorn hesitated no more. With a swift leap, he freed the deer from its snare. The hunter, startled, fled into the depths of the forest, his prey stealing away. Bjorn, the solitary bobcat, had made his choice. In the days that followed, Bjorn's legend grew. He was no longer just a cat of the forest, he was a symbol of courage and compassion. The whispers of nature, the silent voices of the wild, spoke of him as a guardian, a protector, and a true embodiment of the spirit of the forest. And so, Bjorn taught the forest a valuable lesson, that power and strength are not measured by the number of lives taken, but by the lives saved. In the heart of the forest, the tale of Bjorn lives on, a testament to the power of choice and the silent whispers of the wild.